In this episode, NFT maintenance. This rain gutter system is easy to clean. All I do is turn off the pump, then I can remove each rail and take them outside. Nothing is connected. I usually clean my system every 3 months. Now we're just gonna pump the water out of the reservoir into a 5-gallon bucket, and I won't waste this. I'll take it outside and water a tree or a plant. 50% water, 50% vinegar. It's an awesome cleaning solution. I shoot everything down with vinegar and water, especially on the insides. I'll even sometimes pour the vinegar solution in the lines to get rid of all of the algae, salt, and calcium buildup. Then I'll just let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes, and then I'll go ahead and give it a good rinse with a power nozzle. As for the reservoir, once I spray it down with vinegar and water, I'll give it a good scrub with a green scrubby or a brush. Give it a rinse. Then I just reassemble, and now I'm ready to go. My next adventure, pak choy. Stay tuned for the next episode.